Hello everyone and welcome back to another short tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication on your Hostinger account. Honestly, it takes less than a minute and it completely protects your site from getting hacked. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your Hostinger panel. After that, head over to this profile icon, click on security. You will find these two options. Let's pick the first one, click turn on. Then you will see two options here, authentication application or email. Of course, we are going to pick the application because it's a way more secure than standard email. Let's click select. After that, paste your password here and click submit. After that, Hostinger is going to send you a quick verification code to your email address just to make sure it is actually you. Once you receive your verification code, paste it here and click confirm. After that, pick one of these applications and install it. After that, click continue. Then scan this QR code. Once you scan it, enter the code here and click verify. After that, you have to download these backup codes and save them in a safe place and click finish setup. As you can see, you have set up mobile authentication successfully. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching.